now my tradition. This one now my heritage. This one now my culture. This one now my tradition. This one now my heritage. This one now my culture. This one now my tradition. This one now my heritage. This one now my culture. This one now my tradition. This one now my heritage. This one now my culture. This one now my tradition. This one now my heritage. This one now my culture. This one now my tradition.
Nigeria's heritage is a celebration of culture, diversity, and history. With over 250 ethnic groups, our traditions shine through music, dance, languages, and colorful attire like Ankara, Aso-Oke, and coral beads. From vibrant festivals to storytelling and craftsmanship, Nigeria's heritage reflects pride, unity, and a legacy that inspires generations across the world. If you like this video, please like and follow, and drop your comments at the comment section to know what you think of this video. I will reply it. Turn on your notifications button to know when I drop a new video. Please always subscribe.